Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to delete a Coinbase account. First, securely back up your transaction history and export any tax documents like Form 1099, then securely withdraw crypto and fiat to your personal wallets or bank. Close linked third-party apps and remove payment methods in your Coinbase settings. Submit the account close request, confirm via email, and wait for final verification before uninstalling the app and clearing browser data completely. Prepare thoughtfully and avoid surprises by checking identity verification, pending trades, and linked services. Export trade and tax records to a secure location and confirm withdrawals have arrived in your bank or wallet. Remove any fiat or payment methods and disconnect third-party integrations like exchanges or portfolio apps. Communicate with anyone expecting incoming payments from your account and pause automatic buys so the closure proceeds without failed transactions or unexpected holds. Follow the on-screen prompts in Coinbase settings to initiate account closure and review any final warnings or required steps. Confirm the action through the verification email and save any confirmation numbers or screenshots for your records. If support reaches out, respond promptly to avoid delays. After the closure completes, keep your exported transaction history and tax documents stored securely in case you need them for reporting or future reference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.